Okay, my people, welcome back to the matter. What would they call I the Red? Before, if you just join us, this is the I the Red. I would not talk about foul we be like say you want first fight. The thing had them. I say make it drop one. Kaka first for ground. Enter Agberu, the way two of them they fight. They can't use hose. They flog them. One of the fighter, the fighty run come out like who they separate.
Flog and discharge.
They run like say no be their beat.
Okay, now for the cocoa way they our headlines them. The first news they come from our stable, the stables of the vice deputy speaker of the I the Red Parliament.
My people never supporting and still I the red with this and the men with their head no too correct, we still here. They give one as a based on head no correct, it gets it happen and the commissioner for women affairs for Ogun State, he come out, come talk, say couple before they marry, better they go do psychiatric test to show whether you normal. Because you know, I believe say the reason why this man bring this thing up is some kind couple they go marry, person will beat in wife. So say make it good, make they go check whether your head normal. I don't know how people will prepare for the marriage now, because on Wednesday will they go for court wedding, then on Thursday will they go psychiatric, go check, and all now based on the celebration, and they go still cook rice, you know. So the wedding now go.
No, but so they'll do party for inside psychiatric home.
You know what I
based on saying a wedding process.
Now what based on the process now.
You know what I say? I just say in as much as you know say when you want marry for church, you first go counseling.
Yes.
You first teach now how now till they live well for house. I feel say make government and enjoy their own counseling for court marriage, because before you go court marriage, if you go do 1 day counseling.
Yes.
I think maybe they just add them. Say okay, Thursday now they marry you. Wednesday now come counseling, but Tuesday go yaba. Go check if you need injection, collect your 2.
No, if you look this matter of say make couples then go this psyche test before marriage. You know, say when you love somebody, if you want to show say you love her, wait till be the English. I am crazy about you. So that craze, they need to
So we need to define the particular craze where they craze. Whether I lovable craze or na craze.
But you know, because Shaggy, sorry, you know, say some couple don't supposed to wed on the wedding night. He don't forget say he don't marry. He still go carry girl, he come house. now when he reach the month, see another slippers. He say, oh Jesus, don't marry. So now make that test dey necessary.
When he marry, he don't marry finish. The dress day now wake your wife up say, how much for it? How much I'll give you?
Wait, I'll give how much? Seriously, too. They need to do this test because
it's just good.
I get this tenant them those days for my popsy house. Mama Chuko and Papa Chuko. Anytime they get misunderstanding, they fight here. Now those couples say they need to exchange blow. If Mama Chuko they vex say they fight, you carry hammer break telly. Papa Chuko go come say you break telly. Papa Chuko come pack money. Say see this money we go take buy telly, you no go buy am, you come begin tear am.
Hey! Those ones they don't need psychiatric hospital. Those ones they need to go native doctor place. Native doctor need to cut dogoyaro leaf. And ebele
Serious, okay, more look this matter because they going us okay. Why we want talk? I'm going to show people these videos of how husband and wife need to really go psyche test because things they happen. Check this video.
Yes, so you need to see
check these videos. Hey.
Fini o, fini. You not going? What's that? Oh, what think I'm do? What's that? Like the one you let you Morovia?
What have you?
Oh, what's that?
That's why coming to me.
Woman, they beat man for like God. But seriously, see that station. Who get that station? No FIFA.
See, the government, we need to look into this violence against men.
Yes!
Violence against men.
You people have been they do violence against women. Violence against women. Not be woman, they beat man, so.
Okay, wait. With the sharp violence against men, violence against But most see this next video. Now gonna say this guy not try for wedding grand. Wedding grand.
This particular guy in this psychiatric hospital.
I tell
You
you.
need psychiatric doctor and native doctor.
Wait, for Lucky, wedding ground.
Wedding
Yeah,
grand.
look now.
Watch
Watch am.
video.
You. This guy bite me, sha. You.
Get out.
You.
Get out, my year word.
Oh, boy.
Oh, but you see this now.
That na person wey be say you don't already know in kind of verse. He carry cake give you bite small say it's okay. Now you go tell me say it's okay. Go. I can't imagine when that I dey imagine that kind of man say woman cheat on her.
Aye.
Just cake wey person no collect, then be that kind slap.
Aye.
You can't go as you dey cheat from where you cheat. Just
If cake creeping and like that, just imagine say come buy suya one night, they come from work. Come give you, because say you don't chop, you don't be left. Hey, your pack load.
Now, even for where he shit 7, now you go take call am. Honey, I'm not coming home. I'm not coming home.
If you say why?
Say why? I just cheated on you.
But seriously. But if we look the video where like say the girl self gets small thing for body, that then them two need to go psychiatric. Come, she bites the husband. No?
And I
Now
join
result to that
maybe,
slap.
you know, mistake join. I won't bite cake. Maybe the guy hand enter the cake where. He come and say,
Bite-
bite her.
bite the
Now
hand.
you slap your wife, better slap like that on wedding day.
maybe na play oh.
Elenu.
Maybe na joke.
Look,
you
the
know?
play where they come play. This is not play.
Elenu.
See the slaps.
No, maybe the girl will bite and now they talk. You know, the bite. You know, get some girls who like to play well.
But
As he bring hand, he can't bite hand. Based
I
on
love
love.
You see this life. You know, say India, maybe now for, if you watch now for India area, maybe now the way they express their love.
Oh boy.
They say feeding time. They say feeding time. They will
So
feed.
wait,
Feeding, I will slap.
Make it not be like saying now we they get it wrong. Oh. You know say we don't know everybody's tradition.
Yeah.
Because you know say here for Nigeria, our own tradition we say during feeding time, when you give your husband or your wife food, you give her water to drink. Maybe the slap, now they
Now the slap.
feeding at their
water,
own water.
Wash and down.
We don't know their own tradition.
Sorry.
But seriously, they need to go psychiatric. So Chakada, your matter serious.
Okay,
They
my
need to go
people.
psyche.
You know, I tell you now, this now the matter where they tell now say I they read. Where would they bring news where they happen, the way they happen, the way it be, when news talk up, when they talk about TV, you hear about radio, approconite hear am. When you bring and come here, now you will tell they talk am where you go take sweet for body, but at the end, oh.
Na joke, oh.
So if you get any news, will they tell you, say if you get any news, when you hear or you read or you see am for TV, or you want more talk and hear me talk for body, send and come our email, will be I the red at Wazobia TV.tv. We go break small, we go drink water. No be slap. No be slap. We go drink our own real water.
I'll start somebody for come back.
But if you slap somebody, sha, if you do anyhow, you bite my hand, sha, I'll give you slap.
No.
They come back.
Chakada, you say near me.